Melatonin, the most powerful antioxidant. We always talk about melatonin as the hormone that helps you to sleep, produced by the pineal gland, stimulated by darkness. However, we don't talk about intracellular melatonin, the one that works in the mitochondria. So let's talk about that in this presentation. So we have two kinds of melatonin. The one produced by the pineal gland, which is stimulated by darkness. This one is produced during the night, allows you to release growth hormone. Growth hormone is going to heal damaged tissue during the night, is going to replace dead cells with new cells so you can recover. However, there is another kind of melatonin. We call this intracellular, which is produced inside the mitochondria. So, first, let's explain how the mitochondria works. If this is the cell, here we have the mitochondria. The role of the mitochondria is to produce energy, ATPs. So the mitochondria produces ATPs using oxygen. So we call this the Krebs cycle or the TCA cycle. It's an aerobic pathway. It uses oxygen to produce ATP. However, the byproduct or the waste product of this process is peroxide and superoxide. Both of them powerful free radicals. So the role of melatonin inside the mitochondria is to neutralize the peroxide and the superoxide. When melatonin, intracellular melatonin, is not in high quantities, these free radicals can leak out into the cytosol. They not only destroy the mitochondria, they destroy the mitochondrial membrane, but also when they leak out into the cell, they can also destroy the cell membrane, killing the cell. They can attack the DNA in the nucleus of the cell and damage the genes. Therefore, you can create a cancer cell because the sequence of the nitrogen bases have been changed. The DNA has been damaged by the free radicals. So, mitochondrial malfunction is the main cause of cancer and diabetes. When you eat carbohydrates, the mitochondria is supposed to take all those carbohydrates as glucose and use them to produce ATP. However, when these free radicals accumulate, the mitochondria is not running the TCA anymore. And now all the carbohydrates accumulate, or the glucose accumulate in the blood. So, what stimulates intracellular melatonin? Infrared light. Infrared light from the sun. And this is the main difference with the pineal melatonin, which is stimulated by darkness. That's the reason why it's so important to take sun, so you can get infrared light, which stimulates the genes that code for melatonin inside the mitochondria. Now, I know many people are scared of skin cancer. Remember, you need to avoid sunburn, but not sunlight. If you want to book a consultation with me, you can do it on my website, joelexebio.com. Happy New Year, everybody.